Realme M1 is Realme's flagship sonic electric toothbrush in the Indian market. I have been using its younger sibling, the N1, for quite some time now and have been very impressed by it. So based on that, I finally decided to buy the M1 and see whether it's worth spending more for the M1. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Arib Deshmukh, and in this video we will review the Realme M1, go through its specifications, its pros and cons, and who's it for. I've already made an unboxing video of this toothbrush. You can click on the link here or go and click on the link in the description below to check out the unboxing. The very first thing you notice when you hold the toothbrush is its premium build quality. The body has this matte finish that feels soft to touch. There is the Realme branding on the top with the round button in the middle, which has a good tactile response and travel to it. Below are the 4 modes that lit up when the particular mode is being used. And at the bottom we have the battery indicator. The brush head has a shiny finish which comes with the cover by default. The brush head is 3.5 mm thin with dew point 99.99% antibacterial bristles. The bristles also have a blue indicator that starts to fade as you keep using it more and more and reminds you to change it when it finally fades to white. The bristles are arranged in a curved manner to better adapt to the natural tooth design. The M1 also comes in a lovely blue color. Overall, it has a nice heft to it and feels very good to use. So the M1 produces 34,000 vibrations per minute, which is a lot, but is certainly not class leading considering you get toothbrushes producing more vibrations at a lesser price. But the difference is minuscule. The M1 has 4 modes. Number 1 is the soft mode for people with sensitive gums and teeth. Number 2 is the clean mode for daily use. Number 3 is white mode for deep cleaning of teeth. Number 4 is the polish mode. It produces alternate different frequencies to remove light stains from your teeth for a quick shine. Realme claims 90-day battery life with a single charge, which is very close to my personal testing of 82 days. You get a wireless charger puck to charge the toothbrush. It took me around 5 hours to completely charge the brush from zero. The wireless charger also serves as a stand so the toothbrush can be placed upright. So with 5 hours of charging, you get 82 days of battery life, which is pretty sweet. So the M1 has a 2-minute automatic timer after which it turns off automatically. It also has an automatic memory function so that it remembers the last function mode you used. So the M1 is IPX7 waterproof certified, so you can be at ease when you're using it under running water. So how does it clean? Well, it cleans very nicely. In the first image, you see my teeth after I've just woken up. Then we apply the disclosing agent which stains the tooth and shows the presence of plaque. And this is the final image after using the toothbrush. Did a real good job here. I'm always using it in the clean mode. Use the right mode with the right technique and it will work nicely for you too. My personal complaint about this toothbrush, and I know I'm nitpicking, but it's the wireless charger. It takes extra space while traveling and also in my bathroom. I would have preferred a USB-C port over here, just like how we get on the N1. Also, it's a little expensive with prices fluctuating from Rs 1799 to 1999 from time to time. It eventually comes down to how much you're willing to spend on your dental health. I bought it for Rs 1899 and I think it's totally worth it. If you want a sonic electric toothbrush with premium build quality, good cleaning modes, great battery life, and you wouldn't mind the charging base, the Realme M1 is a great choice. Just remember, it's a luxury, not a necessity.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.